This is a special video of me trading my automated. The signal has sounded, so I'm going to explain to you why I took this trade. Right now, you can see the trade pull through. Now, I just took this trade based on my automated signal. Now, the automated signal has a specific instruction on usage. You're not just going to be using anyhow, else you're not going to make any money. Now, I just traded one, and I'm going to show you the signal that I took with that trade. Where is it? So that you get to see it. Now, it popped up and it showed up, and the signal is so strong that it's still, you guys should get to understand. I have a binary trading basic course which costs 50,000 naira, and I have an automated signal setup. Now, the automated signal setup, as you can see in the image here, is 10,000 naira. Now, I don't sell this alone to anybody. If you're not my student, you cannot get this. You have to be my student and be able to have mastered the basic before you can get this automated setup. Now, also, you need to know it's optional. Once you learn the manual way of doing it, you can do and repeat the same thing. Whatever you can do, it's not supposed to make you become lazy, but you see, automated help you to generate the signal even while you are not searching for it. Let's say you are concentrating on 10 index and then there is signal on 25. Automated can alert you that there is signal on 25 even without you checking 25. So that's the work of the automated, is to help you based on the strategy. It's designed for the strategy. Now, there are errors in the automated. Why? Because it requires you to actually perfect, to verify, confirm that the signal is actual. So that's why you don't just trade anyhow. You have to know exactly what to do, and for you to use the automated, you need to follow the guide. It has a guide and it has instruction manual on usage. Also, but for the advanced class of my digital trading, but for both the executive and then the individual executive, you have the automated in your package already. So each one of them gets the automated sort of setup. So I'm just breaking this just to let you know. Continue watching your video. God bless you. If the signal had a pullback, so I can re-enter the trade. Because it wasn't already set, so I couldn't really show you the way I wanted to. I wanted to show you when I got the alert. It was when I entered, the alert showed up and then I entered. So that's how we get to do the trade. But you see, manually, can I also get to do more trades or get to do trades like that? Yes, I can. Most times I like trading. Probably just a minute, let me pause and show you. Okay, you can see these are the signals that it gives. It gives you signal based on how you want to trade. The signal I traded with was with this one here, which was 10. It was for 10. That was the signal I just traded right now that gave me the profit of this trade. You don't have to do 10 trades. You don't have to do 20 trades. One is enough. One is enough. Okay, that's another one, right? 10. This is another one for 10. And I just placed the trade. Another trade signal for 10 just popped up. So I just placed it. The same signal just popped up. So I just traded that same signal that showed up right now. I'm not supposed to do more than one or two, so this will be the second one. Now, this is not showing well. Let me show you again. Now you can see it's going up. Why? Because I entered too early, and I was trying to explain. I was actually supposed to pick another signal or rest for a while before I continue, but this is a too early signal. Why? That's why I don't like rushing stuff. I'm just supposed to show you with one, but because it was too fast, so fast, that's the same signal. The same signal. Now was when I was supposed to enter. Now, not the early one. So you can see this one took a while before it pulled through. But let me show you the first signal. which didn't take a while. It didn't take any time at all. It pulled through immediately, right? This trade, you can see, I was supposed to enter the second sound here, but because I'm trying to explain to you how this signal works and how I can trade with it and make some money with it, the same way every other person can also do that. The same signal, if it pulls back up, I can get to trade it manually, not signal right now. Manually, I can do 5, 4, but you see, I'm trying to encourage my student to just do few trades. Can you start by just doing 2, 4? Don't do more than that. Why? So that you can be able to be profitable. It is not in the numbers of trade. No, not at all. It is in how much discipline you can get. The thing that matters in trading is profitability. You see, if you are having, I grew this account from, I think it was around $60, now it's $88. So that means I've made like $28. $28. You have done 4 trades. That should be okay for you. That should be okay. But you see, most times people are not. Now, all this trade that is 24th, these are the trades I just did, and I did all of them with a signal. That's $6. Look at this, $6 in 4 places. In 4 places, that's $24. So you need to understand, don't over trade, don't overdo it. I'm going to be coming up with instruction manual on how to use my automated. If you want to be profitable, 2, 4 trades is okay. You don't need plenty. And you can see I did most of all these trades with this automated. The one for today, you can see that's another signal there. That's another signal. And this signal is for 10. Yes, it's for 10. I'm still on 10, right? So it has sounded. Let me see if I can enter. Okay, I can enter. I just entered. Reason why you always have to also be careful is over trading, because it's so easy. A lot of people get easily carried away. There are right times you enter into a trade that makes it so perfect. This was when the second one was what I was supposed to use. Yes, why do I know? Because I know I am seeing what I'm seeing from my chart here. I'm seeing from my laptop, so I'm also seeing from here. I don't like trades that take time. All these tick, 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 tick. I don't like them. I like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, I'm out. This is 23%. You can see this is done with real account. Now, can you see this is automated signal trading? I'm trading with automated. Now, I'm not the one looking for the signal. Once the signal comes up, I can trade them. Now, I've seen another signal, which is a manual signal. I just took this manual trade. This trade that I just took now, it's a manual. My internet looks a bit very sluggish somehow. This is a manual trade I took. I'm not checking the signal. I'm the one doing this. Why? Because I know, and I'm the one who configured the automated. So I know. Now, can you see this account? I started at the beginning of this video, I think around $60. I'm going to show you all the trades I did. I think about 4 or 5. Now, this is 102. I started this account from, where is it? You can see. Okay, from here. This was where I started from. 61. Let me show you. Well, after making a withdrawal of $25, I had 61. So I had 61. I have made $40. $40. Because I have 102. So minus 61 from 102. That's about $41. How many trades? If you want to know how many trades, let me get to show you. That will be easier from profitable. How many trades? Just look at 24. We have 1. I'm not having time to trade at all. I have 1, right? This is 24. Look at 1 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades. You should be okay. You should close. 6 trades is too much. 4, it's because I'm actually showing you this in and explaining them to you. 2 to 4 trades, close. Once you make your 100%, stop. You're not supposed to overdo it. Stop. You need to learn and follow the rule. If you don't follow the rule, this is not going to work for you. Despite the fact it's an automated signal, because you're going to be blowing your account. You would want to trade everything tradable. Now look at all this. They were all done with automated. Now the automated was done, was developed and built by me. So it's still like I am the one trading. You can see signal coming up. You can always use it for different one. You can look at the time and you can see all the signals. There are some for 25, but it's only for 10. So I traded volatility 10. You need to understand, these signals will keep coming. They will keep coming, but you need to understand it works easy if only you will follow. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.